This is Sort 15, Book 2. This week you're going to be working on short U sound for the vowel of as well as the long U vowel sound, oo. Let's go ahead and take a look at these words and sort them by sound. Fruit, long U, right? Oo, trust. That would be a different sort. Let's put that over here. Let's put this here, actually. Crust, fruit, suit. Sound the same. Skunk, short vowel sound. Build. Let's look at that one a little bit later. That one's a little bit confusing. Dude. Be here. Prune, dude. Tooth, moon, bloom. Let's start another column for the long U vowel sound. From. Let's say mood, cube, bump. Let's put that here. Spoon, smooth, food, juice, broom. And now some of these from, that is the short vowel sound of U, right? Trust, skunk, bump, from, okay. And build. Do we hear a or U, oo sound, long vowel sound for U, oo? No, that's definitely an oddball. That one doesn't have the same vowel sound. All right. Now let's sort them by spelling pattern. If you look at these words, especially here, the long U sound, you might see that some of them go together. I'm looking at these two right here, bloom and mood, and I'm seeing these two O's. So that looks like a good way to sort them, doesn't it? And spoon is there, and so is smooth and food and broom already. Well, that was convenient. Here's moon as well. All right. Fruit. I see this UI. It's a few UIs. And then I'm seeing one of those familiar rules. The evil E makes the vowel say its name. Prune, dude, and cube. All right, well, that's kind of thinking about it more from a phonics standpoint, how they're spelled. And let's take a look at the way that we're going to be sorting them. We have the short U sound, consonant, vowel, consonant. Here it is. Consonant, vowel, consonant. And it's making the short U sound. Trust, crust, skunk, bump, from. Now, this one does also have consonant, vowel, consonant. We're working on short U and long U, and it does fit that. However, it's rather an oddball because it doesn't have the same spelling pattern of the U, though it does have the sound. So I'm going to put it over here with build. We have all of these other categories to sort by. Let's see if I put them in the right place. Here's this vowel pattern. Consonant, vowel, consonant, E. We've seen this with many sorts. Here it is. Consonant, vowel, consonant, E. The evil E makes the vowel say its name to make prune, the long U sound. So we have prune, dude, cube. All right. Next one we have, we've indicated here with a long line over it, which means the long vowel sound, but we have it with two O's. Two O's together can make the long vowel sound oo. Let's check these out. Bloom, mood, tooth, spoon, smooth, food, broom, and moon. Yes, all of those have the long vowel sound of U. Another way to make the long vowel sound of U, oo, is UI put together. Fruit, hear the U vowel sound, suit, and juice. Now this one has the long vowel sound. This one actually has the same pattern, B-U-I-L-D, but does it sound the same? Suit, juice, build. This one clearly has the short I sound, so it is an oddball. We don't have a category for that, but you know how to sort those even if the category is not present. This is your sort. Let's look at the words, make sure you know all the meanings of them. There doesn't happen to be any homophones this week. Trust someone, you trust your good friends, you believe in them. Crust, you of course have crust on pizza. Skunk, that's an animal that releases a terrible smell as a warning to protect itself. And bump, if you get a bump on your head or something. Then we have prune, which is a dried piece of fruit. Dude, that would be a slang word. You can use it, especially in conversations. Hey dude, what's up? Then we have cube. A cube is a 6-sided shape, and it's shaped like a box. Then we have bloom, which is what flowers do when they are opening up. Mood, that's your behavior, the way you feel. If you're in a bad mood, it means you're not very happy. If you're in a good mood, you're happy. Tooth, spoon, smooth, something that's flat and no bumps on it. Food, broom, and moon, of course, which we're studying this year. Fruit, you guys eat a lot of fruit for your health. A suit, you could have a jumpsuit or some kind of a suit that you wear. And juice, something you drink, made of fruit or vegetables. Build, to build something. From, this is from me to you. Now, obviously, when you're making these type of lists, you're also thinking, what other words do I know that could fit in this spelling category? I'm going to put down some. Here is the short vowel sound. Mutt. That would be a mixed breed dog. However, if I put an E on the end, I will make mute, which you will mute this video, which means turn off the sound, or you might mute your TV or the computer when you need to hear something somebody's saying to you, to mute something. And that, of course, would go over here. Now, if it doesn't have the E, you have the short vowel sound, The evil E makes the U say its name. Consonant, vowel, consonant, E. You could also have an onomatopoeia word. These are not words you need to add to your list. I just want you to think about other words that might have the same spelling pattern. Cluck. So you ask yourself, is it short vowel sound or long? It is short. And that would be, of course, onomatopoeia word. A word that a chicken would make. A sound that a chicken would make. A sound effect word. If you get hurt, you might have this happen to you. Somebody hits your leg by accident, or you get kicked playing soccer, you might get a bruise. Think about where it goes. Ooh. If you thought here, you're exactly correct. You might like to have a scoop of ice cream. I know I wouldn't mind that. Scoop. That one's going to go here as well. I'm just going to put it off to the side a little bit. I'm not sure if it's going to fit in the screen. And you might hear your teacher say this at times. Don't goof off. Goof off, which means misbehave, right? You would never do that. But that would also go in this category. This is Sort 15. You're working on short U and long U.